Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas DIYs in July. So today I have a DIY. It's not really a DIY, it's more like just putting some things together. But I hope you enjoy it and it gives you some inspiration. Let's get right to it. So the vases I have here, I believe I did get at Goodwill for probably like 99 cents. But you can pick up a smaller version of this at the Dollar Tree or check out your local thrift store and you can probably get a larger one for the same price. But what I did here, I had these last year, so I cut a length of a really pretty ribbon and I folded it in half, and then I just wrapped it around the vase at a crisscross and put a little dab of hot glue to hold it. I fed the battery pack through the ribbon at the back, and as you'll see here, I'm just layering in some Christmas ornaments and then feeding in some of the fairy lights. And I did forget to mention, I did get all of these ornaments at Dollar Tree last year. And so here's what it looks like lit up when it is dark at nighttime. This is really pretty with the silver and white. And I've tried to turn the light off, but it just really doesn't do it justice here. Now I do have 2 of these, and there's the other one. And in just a second, I'll show you these on display. I've also put together a little vase with some white poinsettias to complement the silver and white that we're using today. And here it is, guys. I think it would look better, the vase, with either Epsom salt or white sand in the bottom. This is white rocks in here. It's all I had on hand at the time, but you get the idea. And this is actually very pretty at night. The silver and white is just really gorgeous, I think. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. I know it was short and sweet, but maybe it gives you some inspiration for Christmas. I would like to thank my subscribers so much for showing me your continued support. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join my family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.